Alright, ito na ang mga pangalan ng mga pumirma sa impeachment laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte. Out of 318, ang nandito na pumirma ay 215. Sa pangungunan ni, ito po yung number 1 na pumirma, Ferdinand Sandro Marcos from Ilocos Norte, 1st District. Next, Aurelio Gonzales Jr. from Pampanga, 3rd District. Next, Manuel Jose M. Dalipi, Zamboanga City, 2nd District. Next, Jardin Jesus M. Romualdo Camiguin from Camiguin, Lone District. Next, Jefferson Cogon from Zambales, 1st District. Next, Ana Marie Villarasa Suarez, Party List, Aluna. Next, Francisco Paulo Ortega from La Union, 1st District. Next, Ramon Rodrigo Gutierrez, Party List, 1 Rider. Next, Yasser Alonto Balindog from Lanao del Sur, 2nd District. Next, Jose Esteban Paduano, Party List, Abang Lingkod. Next, David C. Suarez from Quezon, 2nd District. Next, Jude Asedre, Party List, Tingog. Next, Dan S. Fernandez from City of Santa Rosa, Lone District. Next, Sia Alonto Adjong from Lanao del Sur, 1st District. Next, Yeda Romualdez, Party List, Tingog. Next, Amparo Maria Zamora, Taguig, 2nd District. Next, Janet Loreto Garin from Iloilo, 1st District. Next, Marvin Rillo from Quezon City, 4th District. Next, Raul Boboy Tupas from Iloilo, 5th District. Next, Ernesto M. Dionisio, City of Manila, 1st District. Next, Erwin Cheng, City of Manila, 5th District. Next, Fidel Nograles, Rizal, 4th District. Next, Rolando Valeriano, City of Manila, 2nd District. Next, Manuel Fortes Jr., Sorsogon, from Sorsogon, 2nd District. Manuel Fortes Jr. Okay? Next, Emerson D. Pascual from Nueva Ecija, 4th District. Next, Persley D. Jesus, Pelrica. Next, Ace Barbers, Surigao del Norte, 2nd District. Next, Sergio Daguc, Party List, AFEC. Next, Loreto Amante from Laguna, 3rd District. Next, Romel Rico Angara from Aurora, Lone District. Next, Walter Palma from Zamboanga, Sibugay, 1st District. Next, Solomon Chonggalaw from Ifugao, Lone District. Next, Miguel Luis Villafuerte from Camarines Sur, 5th District. Next, Sanjo Fernando Uminal from Misamis Occidental, 2nd District. Next, Faustino Michael Carlos III D. Isabela from Isabela, 5th District. Next, Michael M. Morden, Party List, APE. Next, Allen DC Manguang from Kalinga, Lone District. Next, Peter Miguel from South Cotabato, 2nd District. Next, asa na tayo? Para makan natin. Ito, Michael Mordin, tama ba? Michael Mordin. Party list APN, sabi ko na kanina. Dito, ayan. Alfredo pala. Alfredo Maranon, Negros Occidental 2nd District. And Allen JC Manguwang from Kalingalon District. Yan, nadoble lang nga. Next. Peter B. Miguel, South Cotabato 2nd District. Next, Carlito Marquez, Aklan 1st District. Next, Dante Garcia from La Union 2nd District. Next, Gerardo T. Espina Jr. from Leon District of Biliran. Next, Lawrence Defensor from Iloilo 3rd District. Next, Gerardo Balmior from Negros Occidental 1st District. Next, Nicanor Briones, party list AGAP. Ang daming party list siya. Next, Maria Renian Lourdes, Laguna 1st District. Next, Irene Gay Saulog, party list Kalinga. Next, Ray Reyes, party list Anak Kalusugan. Next, Emmanuel Tawi Billones from Capiz 1st District. Next, Siriaco Gato Jr. from Batanes Lone District. Next, Danny Domingo Bulacan 1st District. Next, Neptali Gonzalez from the City of Mandaluyong Lone District. Next, Fernando Cabredo from Albay 3rd District. Next, Muhammad Paglas from Maguindanao del Sur Lone District. Next, Teodorico Haresco Jr. from Aklan 2nd District. Next, GC Abalos, party list for peace. Next, Rodolfo M. Ordanes, party list senior citizen party list. Next, Salvador E. Plato from Bulacan 6th District. Next, Milagros Aquino Magsaysay, party list United Senior Citizen. Next, Gabriel Jr. H. Bordado from Camarinesor 3rd District. Next, Maria Victoria Cofilar from Quezon City 6th District. Next, Mary Mitzi L. Cahayon Oy, City of Caloocan 2nd District. Next, Harris Ong Chuan, Northern Samar 2nd District. Next, Raul Ruiz Dasa from Northern Samar 1st District. Next, South Cotabato. Next, Isidro Lumayog from South Cotabato 1st District. Next, Camilo Lasaten Pampanga 1st District. Next, Joseph Dan Isabela 4th District. Alright, next, Christine Singson from Ilocosur 2nd District. Next, Ed Christopher Go, Isabela 2nd District. Next, Jewel Chua, City of Manila 3rd District. Next, Maan Teodoro, City of Marikina 1st District. Next, Manuel Sagabaria, Negros Oriental 2nd District. Next, Saldi Villa, Siquijor, Lone District. Next, Isabela Maria Zamora from the City of San Juan, Lone District. Next, Faustino Ino D from Isabela 6th District. Next, Franz Pumaren from Quezon City 3rd District. Next, Joliet Ferrer, Negros Oriental, 4th District. Next, Luis Villaperte from Camarines Sur, 2nd District. Next, Roberto Puno from City of Antipolo, 1st District. Next, Doris Maniquez Sambali, 2nd District. Next, Marisa Magsino, Party List OFW. Oh, OFW ah! Nako po, tagilid ka na ngayon. Next, Geraldine Roman from Bataan, 1st District. Next, Crispin Diego Rimulya from Cavite, 2nd District. Next, Roy Loyola from Cavite, 5th District. Next, Antonio D. Calixto from Pasay City, Lone District. Next, Surigao del Sur, 1st District. Romeo Momo Sr. Again, Romeo Momo Sr. from Surigao del Sur, 1st District. Next, Celso Rigendia, City of Iligan, Lone District. Next, Lorna Salverio from Bulacan, 3rd District. Next, Ching Benos from Abra, Lone District. Next, Benvenito M. Avanti Jr., City of Manila, 6th District. Next, Eleanor Bulot Begtang, Apayao, Lone District. Next, Baby Alin Vargas Alfonso from Cagayan, 2nd District. Next, Josefina Taliado Camarines Norte, 1st District. Ikan natin yung sounds para meron tayong background music. I-playback natin from the start. Okay, continue. Asa na tayo kanina? Josefina B. Taliado Camarines Norte, 1st District. Next, Agustina C. Pancho, Bulacan, 2nd District. Next, Jose Teves Jr. from Party List TGP. Okay, dami party list. Next, Francisco Matugas, the 2nd Surigao del Norte, 1st District. Again, Francisco Matugas, the 2nd Surigao del Norte, 1st District. Next, James Ang, Party List Uswag, Ilonggo. Next, Jane Castro from Capiz, 2nd District. Next, Alan Ecleo from Dinagat Island, Lone District. Next, from Cavite, 6th District, Antonio Ferrer. Again, from Cavite, Antonio Ferrer. Next, Maria Angela Garcia from Bataan, 3rd District. Next, Loreto Aturon from City of General Santos, Lone District. Next, Steve Solon from Sarangani, Lone District. Next, Kate Tan from Quezon City, from Quezon 4th District. Kate Tan. Ayan. Quezon City 4th District. Next, Rinaldi Arrogancia from Quezon 3rd District. Next, Ricardo Cruz, City of Taguig, Pateros, Lone District. Next, Ralph Tulpo. Ayan, Ralph Tulpo, Quezon City 2nd District. Anak ni Rafi Tulpo. Next, City of Calaucan, Dane Asistio. Next, Tawi-Tawi, Lone District, Demisar Sali. Okay? Next, Ronald Singson, Ilocos Sur, 1st District. Next, Tsusuki Anthony Hori Bata, from Camarines Sur, 1st District. Next, Julian Baronda, City of Iloilo, Lone District. Daming Iloilo ah. Next, Ivan Howard Kentu, Party List Pinuno. Mamaya i-announce naman natin yung mga hindi pumirma. So itong binabasa natin ay mga 215 na pumirma out of 318. So, andito na tayo. Next, Juan Carlo Atayde. Ito yung artista, asawa ni Maine Mendoza. From Quezon City, 1st District. Next, Edgar Chato Bohol, 1st District. Next, Maria Vanessa Omintado Bohol, 2nd District. Next, Christine Alexi Tudor Bohol, 3rd District. Next, Quezon City, 1st District. Wilfredo Mark M. Enverga. Next, Roberto Uy Jr. from Zamboanga, 1st District. Next, Alfredo Bascook from Agusan del Sur, 1st District. Next, Christian Unabia, Misamis Oriental, 1st District. Next, City of Cagayan de Oro, 1st District. Walang iba kundi si Lordan C. Swan. Next, Yevgeny Imano from Misamis Oriental, 2nd District. Next, Joselito Sakdalan from Cotabato, 1st District. Next, from Bataan, 2nd District, Albert Garcia. Next, Patrick Vargas from Quezon City, 5th District. Next, Jose Aquino from Agusan del Norte, 1st District. Next, Franz Castro, Party List Act Pictures. Next, Maria Agaragao from Laguna, 4th District. Next, Arlen Brosas, Party List Gabriela. Next, Raul Manuel, Party List Kabataan. Next, Anna Tuanson, Leyte from Leyte, 3rd District. Next, Charis Ann Hernandez, City of Calamba, Lone District. Next, Jaime Cuanco from Tarlac, 1st District. Next, Victoria Yu from Zamboanga del Sur, 2nd District. Next, Munir Arbison from Sulu, 2nd District. Next, Angelica Natasha Ko, Party List BHW. Next, Percival Cerdenia, Party List Akbayan. Next, John Tracy Cagas from Davao del Sur, Lone District. Next, Nueva Ecija, 2nd District. Walang iba kundi si Joseph Gilbert Lago. Next, Stella Luz Kimbo from City of Marikina, 2nd District. Next, Gas Tambunting, City of Paranaque, 2nd District. Next, Negros Oriental, 6th District. Walang iba kundi si Mercedes Alvarez. Next, Micaela Angela Swansing from Nueva Ecija, 1st District. Next, Eduardo Rua Rama, City of Cebu, 2nd District. Next, Peter John Calderon, Cebu, 7th District. Next, Jocelyn Limca Ichong from Negros Oriental, 1st District. Next, Janice Salimbangon from Cebu, 4th District. Next, Riyami Colas from Cebu again, 1st District. Again from Cebu, Daphne E. Lagon, 6th District. Next, Temple Mustora from Maguindanao del Norte, Lone District. Next, Edsel Galios from Cebu, 2nd District. Next, Johnny Pimentel from Quezon City, 5th District. Next, Emery Dison from City of Mandawi, Lone District. Next, Eduardo Plaza, Agusan del Sur, 2nd District. Next, Christopher Santiac from Southern Leyte, 2nd District. Next, Quezon Almonte from Misamis Occidental, 1st District. Next, Mario Marino from Batangas, 5th District. Next, Maximo Dalog, Mountain Province, Lone District. Next, Romeo Acop, City of Antipolo, 2nd District. Next, Kit Flores from Bukidnon, 2nd District. Next, Marcelino Libanan from Party List Purpis. So, dalawa na yung Purpis. Next, Laani Roque, Bukidnon, 4th District. Next, Mark Go, City of Baguio, Lone District. Next, Antonieta R. Iudela from Zamboanga, Sibugay, 2nd District. Wait lang, may customer tayo guys. Alright. Next, after kay Ma'am Antoinette R. Iudela, Zamboanga, Sibugay, 2nd District. Next, Luz Mercado from Southern Leyte, 1st District. Next, Maria Fe Abonda, Eastern Samar, Lone District. Next, Joseph Lara Cagayan, 3rd District. Next, Maria Teresa Colantes from Batangas, 3rd District. Next, Anan Panaligan from Oriental Mindoro, 1st District. Next, Philemon Espares from Patilis Coop Natco. Ayan. Next, Maria Lucel Nava from Guimaras, Lone District. Next, Clona Labad from Zamboanga del Norte, 2nd District. Next, Claudi Tariela from Occidental Mindoro, Lone District. Next, Eliodro Mandrona Romblon, Lone District. Next, Divina Grace Yu from Zamboanga del Sur, 1st District. Next, Raul Bongalon, Party Aku Bicol. Next, Jerbel Luistro, Batangas, 2nd District. Next, Jose Manuel Alba Bukidnon, 1st District. Next, Luisa Quaresma, Nueva Vizcaya, Lone District. Next, Party List LPGMA, Alan New T. Next, Oscar Malapitan, City of Caloocan, 1st District. Next, City Dimapuro, Lanao del Norte, 2nd District. Next, Yerny Jet Nisay, Party List Pusong Pinoy. Next, Adrian Amatong, Zamboanga del Norte, 3rd District. Next, Rachel Arinas, Pangasinan, 3rd District. Next, Marlene Agabas, Pangasinan ulit, 6th District. Next, Lina Villarica, Bulacan, 4th District. Next, Eric Oli Buhangin, Batangas, 1st District. Next, Christopher D. Venecia, Pangasinan, 4th District. Next, Maria Cynthia Chan, City of Lapu-Lapu, Lone District. Next, Arnie Pentavilla Camarines, 4th District. Next, Raymond Democrito Mendoza, Party List TUCP. Next, Roman Romulo from City of Pasig, Lone District. Again na, Roman Romulo, City of Pasig, Lone District. Next, Mark Kuwangko from Pangasinan, 2nd District. Next, Virginal Viron from Iloilo, 4th District. Next, Samuel Tan Sulu, 1st District. Next, Ana York Bundok, Pampanga, 4th District. Next, Jaime Presnidi, City of Muntinlupa, Lone District. Next, Edwin Calchola, Party List CWS. Next, Lolita Javier, Leyte, 2nd District. Next, Michael Cariosita, City of Antipolo, 2nd District. Next, George Bustos, Party List Patrol, Cebu. Jude Prasco, 5th District. Again, Cebu si Jude Prasco, 5th District. Next, Cavite, Arnella Tolentino, 8th District. Okay? Arnella Tolentino from Cavite, 8th District. Next, Jocelyn, ito yung asawa ni Rapi Tulfo, Jocelyn Tulfo, party list, ACT-CIS. Next, Greg Casatayas from City of Bacolod, Lone District. Next, Rod Hernandez from Laguna, 2nd District. Next, Maria Alana Samantha Santos from Cotabato, 3rd District. Next, Florida Robes, City of San Jose del Monte, Lone District. And last but not the least, ang speaker na si Martin Romualdez from Leyte, 1st District. Okay? Yan po yung mga pumirma out of 318 na congressman ang nagpirma ng impeachment laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte ay 215. So abangan nyo po yung next na announcement para naman sa mga hindi pumirma na nasa 90 na congressman. Okay? Hanggang dito na lang ang ating ulat. Yung update guys, update dito sa gaganapin na impeachment or ginanap kahapon na bago mag-adjourn yung House of Representatives ay nagkaroon ng botohan for impeachment. Okay? So, ang aking pahula, kunwari to ay pahula guys. Ang ating one word Tagalog about sa impeachment, di ba? Impeachment. Kapag nakikinig kayo ay malalaman nyo po yung sagot. Alright? Ang tamang sagot ay stop na. Ito po yung sagot. Ang tamang sagot ay one word Tagalog about sa 215 signature. Okay? Ang tamang sagot ay palakasan natin. One word Tagalog. Alright. Ang tamang sagot ay magkakaalaman. Ayan, magkakaalaman. So, okay, magkakaalaman if sa House of Representatives ay impeach, okay? Impeach na si Vice President Sara Duterte. Magkakaalaman sa darating na I don't know kung ang magre-resume sa June 2 yata, magre-resume pa ang Senate. Doon sa Senate magkakaalaman kung magkakaroon ng conviction si Vice President Sara Duterte or magkakaroon ng acquittal. Okay? Dalawa lang yung pagpipilian ng mga senador. It's either i-acquit or i-convict. Okay? Maraming salamat. Hanggang dito na lang. Thank you. Bye-bye.